To help us calculate the negative likelihood ratio, we are going to imagine that a group of people are being tested for a disease. The red squares represent people with the disease, and the white squares represent people without it. Counting the squares, we find that 10 people with the condition tested positive, whereas 2 people with the condition tested negative, and 12 people without the condition tested negative, whereas 4 people without the condition tested positive. To calculate the negative likelihood ratio, we must divide the false negative rate, which is the number of false negatives over the total number of people with the condition, by the true negative rate, which is the number of true negatives over the total number of people without the condition. In this case, the false negative rate is 17% and the true negative rate is 75%. So the negative likelihood ratio is 0.23. Once more, the negative likelihood ratio is calculated by dividing the false negative rate by the true negative rate, which is otherwise known as the specificity.